What are your 2023 resolutions? My what? Your business resolutions, that is. Things like run my business more efficiently? Maybe grow my business? Or take advantage of new sales tools? I'm not sure I have any. Rely Services has the perfect resolution for you. Get to know Salesforce. Why? Salesforce's outstanding sales tool has something new and exciting to offer. Something that only makes the incredible Salesforce even more powerful. Salesforce Lightning. What's that? Lightning is a customer relationship management tool. And it's the next gen of business connectivity. Lightning will boost your team's productivity. Lightning is Microsoft Outlook friendly. Lightning is now mobile first. All the mobile features that you love are now part of the desktop experience. Hundreds of new features, even better customization, and increased functionality. How can I get it? Easy. Contact Rely Services. Their authorized Salesforce consultants can set you up with Lightning in a flash.